Are you looking for the best refrigerated? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best refrigerated on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kalamera 24-inch wine and beverage cooler. There are plenty of Undercounter wine coolers or beverage fridges, but the Kalamera is the only model we found that combines both. On the left is a wine fridge with a capacity of 20 bottles and a temperature range of 40 to 66 degrees Fahrenheit. On the right is a beverage cooler that can hold 78 soda cans and has a temperature range of 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Seamless stainless steel doors and blue-lit glass provide a contemporary appearance. Temperature control is digital, and a temperature memory feature means that the Kalamera will return to its previous settings in the event of a power cut. At 45 decibels, it is quite quiet, too. The Kalamera is a high-quality unit, but it does require a substantial investment. Although energy consumption of 90 watts is fairly low, it has not been independently certified. It does not appear to be ADA compliant. Number 2. EdgeStar 142-can stainless steel beverage cooler. Some things never seem to go out of fashion, like stainless steel kitchen appliances. The EdgeStar stainless steel beverage cooler has that ever-popular solid stainless steel door and handle, measures at a convenient 24-inch width, and will hold 142 standard 12-ounce cans. The door is reversible, and it has a factory-fitted lock. Shelves are tempered glass rather than the usual wire racks. These are easier to clean and won't sag when fully loaded. Temperature range is from 38 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit and is digitally controlled. The EdgeStar also has auto defrost. We were unable to find independent energy ratings, and it is not ADA compliant. While it is well made and usually reliable, we have seen a few reports of eventual compressor failure. Number 3. HCK 5.12 CU, foot 161-can indoor-outdoor refrigerator. One potential use for Undercounter refrigerators is in outdoor bar or barbecue areas, but it isn't a good idea to use an indoor model in the yard or garden. Most are simply not designed to put up with bad weather, but the HCK indoor-outdoor refrigerator is outdoor rated. It is constructed from highly durable corrosion-resistant 304 stainless steel and tested as water-resistant to the internationally recognized IPX4 standard. The HCK can hold up to 161 standard 12-ounce cans, and there is a digital control between 32 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit, so it is also suitable for food. 3 removable shelves offer flexible storage. The door is reversible and lockable. It also has auto defrost. While there is no ADA compliance, the HCK beverage cooler does meet both the U.S. Department of Energy and European CE energy saving standards. The temperature controls are inside, but at the back where they are awkward to reach when the cooler is full. Number 4. Arctic Air Double Door Undercounter Refrigerator. Those who work in commercial food preparation need products with a high capacity and robust build, and the knowledge that appliances meet food hygiene standards. The Arctic Air Undercounter Refrigerator does all these things. It is made from hard-wearing but easy-to-clean stainless steel both inside and out. Capacity is an impressive 10.1 cubic feet, and it meets the international NSF 7 standard for open food storage. An electronic thermostat and digital controls provide consistent temperature anywhere from 33 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Removable epoxy-coated wire shelves offer flexibility. Locking casters are fitted for those who need to move the fridge around, and the Arctic Air has its own heavy-duty worktop. Doors are self-closing with magnetic gaskets. Undercounter refrigerators of this size and quality are expensive, though the price of the Arctic Air is very competitive.